Welcome. Let's talk about one of the very interesting topics, and that is NPS, Nutrient Profiling System. Now, this profiling system is in existence in many nations across the globe, and they have different criteria for identifying the packets as nutrient rich or nutrient scarce. So let's understand this profiling system first across the various nations, and then we'll talk about some developments related to that. So the first one is Nutri-Score. Now this profiling system exists in France, and the products are rated from A to E star, A being the best, E being the worst, and each of the product that you would find would have this labeling on the levels of nutrition. The second important such a scale is in existence in Australia, and this is known as Health Star rating. Now this Health Star rating, which is into existence in Australia, gives 5-star rating to good products. Similarly, there is another rating system which is similar to a traffic light rating system, and this is prevalent in United Kingdom, and this is called as green, yellow and red, green being considered as the best in nutrient. Now, United States so far does not offer any such profiling systems, but still there have been researchers with Tufts University, researchers going on with NOVA, which have identified a sequence of 100, have gone through a series of 100 products, identified products on the score of 1 to 100. Each of these profiling systems work on a different rating parameter, but yes, the basic idea behind each of the profiling system remains the same. They have positive item list and negative item list. Positive item list would include food which is rich in vegetables, fruits, fibers. Negative list would include items which are rich in sugar, fat, sodium. So let me take two examples for reference. For example, let's say I take one of the vegetables which is kale. Now this vegetable is a vegetable which is rich in fiber. This is rich in potassium and therefore has been considered as high on the score. Now, important to note that this is also rich in MUFA, monounsaturated fatty acid. Another product, let's say we take olive. Now, olive is rich in fiber, but at the same time, it is rich in sodium. Now, since it is rich in sodium, it won't be considered the best product to consume. So, it would lie somewhere in between in the profiling scale. So, this range of the profiling scale from good to worse would have a segments, and each of the product would come under different category. As we said, different nations adopt different algorithms, but yes, this nutrient profiling system would give customer an insight about what products to consume and what products are really good for their health. So again, a very prospective question for your upcoming UPSC examination. Will be covering many such interesting topics from science and technology section, from environment, from education, from economics specifically, and of course geography. So wish you all the best. Thanks for joining in. Have a wonderful day ahead.